Hi there. Today we are talking about protocols. So protocol, let's start a playground. Let's say protocol use the keyword of protocol, and we can say protocol of a vehicle. So this we define a protocol. The protocol in Swift, which is a blueprint of methods. Let's say we have specified there should be a method of number of views, which is intap, and I can have getter and properties and methods. Let's say I need a function of start engine, which so this protocol is a blueprint which has methods, properties, and which can have other requirements, and which suit a particular task like start engine or piece of functionality. So the classes enumeration or structure which can adopt a protocol. Let's say we have a class of car which adopt the protocol by colon, and say this adopt the adopted the protocol of vehicle. This car class, which is type of vehicle protocol, and we can after that you can see the protocol require it to it will automatically saying that the type of car doesn't conform to the protocol of vehicle, so which it need is a property which number of views, so which need a start engine, and we can say our car class, which is type of vehicle, it need a number of views, and it has default value car has 4 views, and the function of start engine, and we say print car engine started, and then we can have initialize instantiate my car class with my car, which is type of car, and we can say my car start engine, and it should say car engine started. So basically that's how what the protocol and class. This is a very simple sample of the protocol and the class which adopt protocol. And the protocol is used very commonly, and the one of the use is the framework integration. It can interfacing with so protocol is also in other language called interface. So you can interfacing with UI case. This is the Apple Swift UI tutorial. You can see it create a carousel, and which, as you see, it has a page view controller, and this page view controller is type of UI view controller representable, and this is a protocol, and After you adopt this class, adopt this structure, adopt the UI view control representable, it will need implementation of the required functions. This will create a carousel by the end. So you can see this is the URL of this tutorial. You can go and have a look. And for dependency injection, protocol-based dependency injection, which we can say for example, we have a protocol. So the protocol is kind of a blueprint, and this is a data service. And we have two implementation. One is network. It is a type of data service. One is MAC service. It is a data service. And when we do the dependency injection, we use the constructor dependency injection. This we can say this data service parameter is a data service. It uses it's a type of protocol. The protocol is data service. So this is a type of data service, but it didn't say it could be the implementation could be network service or MAC service. In our this is the view model. In our view, the initial when we instantiate our view model, we specify this for our protocol view, and we specify the data service is a network service. And if we are doing test, we can say it can be the MAC service. So this provided the flexibility for you to using that dependency injection. So protocol is pretty popular used for dependency injection and MAC testing. And by after this is our the live demo, and this is that our protocol view use that the view model, which provides as network service. Network service in our network service, the fetch data return Mach 1, Mach 2, and Mach 3, and which is item. I will return item 1, item 2, and item 3, which is we can see after the we call them the network service which is type of data service, and the after called function of fetch data, it will return item 1, item 2, and item 3 by using the constructor dependency injection. The protocol will in the constructor, and it specifies this is the type of data service, and this serves this data service which we got the data service is a network service when we create our view model over here. In the constructor, we specify that the data service is type of implementation of network service, as we use the protocol for dependency injection. And that's very simple example of that dependency injection which use the protocols.